In this Q&A video, I want to address a question that I get from most new patients and from most new patients' family and friends and people who find out that they're going to a chiropractor. And that is, are chiropractors cracking bones? And you've probably heard one say, I need to get cracked, or I'm too afraid to get cracked. I've heard a lot of patients say, I'm afraid to get cracked. Chiropractors are not cracking bones. What chiropractors are doing are taking joints that are stuck together and grinding, which will result in cracking, also called arthritis, if you don't treat it at some point. So what is the sound that's being made during the adjustment? When a joint gets stuck, nitrogen gas, which is a waste product that we all make in our bodies, is getting stuck in the joint because it's not circulating and fluid's not moving through it the way it should. This nitrogen gas, if it sits there too long, becomes painful and it's tender, and you may touch your neck and you may touch your shoulders and say it's tender here. Some of that is the nitrogen buildup in your body that's trapped in those joints. That nitrogen over time is going to eat away at the cartilage, and it's going to cause an arthritis and an inflammatory condition in that area. What chiropractors are doing is taking that joint that's really stuck and we're separating it really fast. When we separate the joint quick enough, the nitrogen gas gets released on the cellular level. So the sound you're actually hearing is a cavitation. And what that is doing is getting new joint fluid in there, it's warming the joint, bringing in new nutrients, and that nitrogen that should be leaving your body is now free to go through the lymphatic system and out through the kidneys the way it would normally do in a healthy spine. If this information resonates with you or someone you know, please feel free to contact Greenwich Wellness. Otherwise, be well.